And welcome back to our Scratch programming. In last lesson we saw how to get this little fella to appear after a certain score has been used using the broadcast and receive function, and we're going to be doing something similar today. As I said before, we want to be able to go to a next level. So what I want to do is set a next level. To do that we need a new background. So what we need to do is copy that, and then we need to edit it. Now personally I'm not that good drawer, so I need to go and get rid of all of this. You'll do it much better than me. Easier way to do it. Black block and block it out. Black block, block it out. Black block, block it out. Now we're going to need to program a new route. So back into the green, and it's my dark green. No, it's not that dark, it's that dark. So new places. So I'm going to put block there, and block there. Maybe on there. I'm sure you're better at drawing mazes than I am. And I click OK. So that is vastly different from that one. So what we want to do is go back into our scripts. So we've already said set score to 0 when you click that, but also what we're going to do is back into control. When we click this, we need to fire our F. And it's exactly the same principle as we did for Sprite 7. So what I want to do, drag that away. No, don't want that. Go back to Sprite 5. It's this one here. This bit here. So what I'm going to do, right click that, go onto the stage, go onto my stage, and get rid of that. So I'm going to up it so score is 8. So I've eaten this wee cookie as well. We're going to broadcast a new thing. I'm going to call it Global 2. Again on this one, when I receive instead of show cookie, level 2, back to looks. We want switch to background. In this case it's background 3. We can do it to next background and so on and so forth. Okay, let's see if this works. Shouldn't be so much better at testing this than me. For some reason my hide the cookie has gone awry. I'm sure you'll be able to figure out how to change that. See, instantly upwards onto my new one, but everything's hidden. So what we can do there is come up with some new cookies, new power pills, that kind of thing, to increase the score. What you might also want to do is, if we go back onto backgrounds, go back onto background 1 and then back onto the scripts. So switching to background 3, what we can do is create a new sprite, and this time we just want a black rectangle. I think I have a white rectangle. Don't like that one either. Add text. Make it colour that's not going to be different. About level 2. What we can do, cut that out using our set modifier delete. grab that. Oh, you'll be able to do a better job than me. Let's start that. As you can see, I haven't done a very good job of it, so let's clear that. Let's clear. Undo. Maybe we can just cancel that. But you see, we can do another sprite. Level 2. So that, go back onto the stage. Let's make him invisible first of all. Control, looks. And then go back to our stage. I receive level 2. Then we can again control and wait for 2 seconds and then switch back onto. The thing is, you have to go back onto this thing. When I receive level 2, we can then looks, show, control, wait 2 seconds, and then we can go ahead again. Now, I'm really annoyed with my Sprite 3. It should hide, but I'm going to see if I can pop that inside Forever to see if that works better. So let's start again. It's a good point to always test your scripts. Ooh, bad for epilepsy. There's our level 2 coming up, and then on to a new game. Well, it's going to annoy me. It's going to do that, so let's get rid of that. Let's see if we can just put a stop on the script. Stop everything. Let's play. Right, there's a problem. So what's going to happen is when I go back to stage 1, so when this is clicked, not only do we need to do that motion, but the looks wise, we need to switch to background to always stop. So that's cleared that one. Down a few hit points. 1, 2, and we're done. Okay, so that's how you switch levels. You will find though that if you want to put new power pills in and stuff like that, you will have to either re-show everything and then set them to a new position, or you're going to have to make new sprites. And I reckon making new sprites is probably the easiest one, although you can just clone them from the old ones and then put them on again. But fast enough.